Happy 17th anniversary to RPGSHOWwigs.com. Guys, so we are back today with another hair video. Shout out to RPG Show Wigs for sending me this unit right here, guys. Absolutely stunning. So this install today was very easy, guys. Very, straight to the point. I've actually had this unit on for 3 days now, guys. I have not reinstalled it or anything. So this install was very simple, guys. This is a glueless wig cap. So before I actually sprayed this unit down with the Even Wonder Lace, you guys saw that the unit laid glueless on my head, so you don't have to use the glue. But if you want to be extra like me, you want to do kind of glam styles, and you want your hair just blowing in the wind or whatever, you're going to go ahead and just add like a little spray on there. Very simple spray, guys. I only retouched it 1 time out of the 3 days, and that was that. So the wig pretty much stayed secure on my head, guys, and the styling stayed very nice. Now, obviously, in this hair video, you guys saw me trim the hair a little bit, cut layers into it, just to kind of frame my face a little bit more. I feel like the unit just looks so much more, fuller, and it kind of gives you that Farrah Fawcett type of vibe. Very easy. I am by all means not a hairstylist whatsoever, so cutting for me is just kind of like practicing. I've been doing hair for kind of a while and doing hair videos for a while, so I just kind of found my ways around it and find ways to frame my face and stuff like that. So you guys can see the hair is stunning. The color on this one is like a balayage style, ombre style unit. I love how they come in with the pop of blonde up here, and then they really go heavy with that ash color blonde all the way at the bottom. So the base color of this unit is very natural, guys, for my women of color or anyone that wants to try a blonde unit out. This is not straight blonde. It is kind of going from a dark color into blonde, so it kind of gives you more of a natural effect, more realistic effect. A lot of people are complimenting me on this unit, guys. Absolutely loved it. And I'm like, you know what? This is what I like about RPGSHOWwigs.com, guys, for years. 17-year anniversary. For years, they've been providing excellent units. This unit, still great quality unit, guys. You guys can see it's just a straight out of the box style unit. RPGSHOWwigs.com never disappoints, guys. You guys can see that this unit is very gorgeous, very pretty, very sexy. It's giving va va voom. It's giving I'm here. It's giving I'm not afraid to do blonde and I'm gonna kill this blonde look. So let me know what you guys think about this unit, guys. I will leave all the coupon codes and anything you guys need down below. They have a ton of other kind of styled units like this. If you're just stepping into blonde, you can find something that's more on your range. I feel like this unit is definitely something that's bold and daring, but it's definitely subtle as well too, where you can go ahead and transition into this one just because it's not a full blonde wig. You still get a little bit of root. And like I said to you guys, hopefully my little tutorial cutting gave you guys like a little something. I'm not professional at it, but I be doing a little something when it comes to these little bangs right here and giving me a little bit of extra zhuzh in the front. Y'all see that? That extra zhuzh. You just Gotta love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.